Experiencing Bluetooth connection problems in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. Common causes include software glitches, interference from other devices, especially in urban areas with 5G, a full device list, or outdated software. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving these issues, drawing on the latest updates and fixes from Tesla. The first and simplest fix is a Bluetooth reset via the touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, greater than Phone, greater than Bluetooth, greater than Advanced, greater than Reset Bluetooth. This clears cached data and restarts the module. After the reset, try pairing your device again. This often resolves temporary software glitches and pairing locks. Perform a Tesla infotainment reboot as well by holding both steering wheel buttons until the screen restarts. Your Model 3 can store up to 10 paired devices. A full list can prevent new connections. Go to Settings, then Phone, then Bluetooth. Long press on devices you no longer use and select Forget Device. This clears space and can resolve connection conflicts. Then, try pairing your device again. Tesla's over-the-air updates are crucial for fixing Bluetooth connectivity issues. These updates deliver bug fixes and improvements directly to your vehicle through the infotainment system. The latest software version, V12, introduced in late 2025, specifically enhanced Bluetooth stability for Model 3 vehicles. This update includes fixes for module resets, better device compatibility, and streamlined management. To check for updates, navigate to the Software section in your vehicle's settings. The infotainment screen will show your current version and any available updates. Install any pending updates immediately, as they often contain essential Bluetooth fixes. V12 has resolved connectivity issues for approximately 70% of reported cases based on Tesla's data. Regular software updates ensure your Model 3 stays connected and secure. Tesla's OTA system makes it easy to keep your vehicle up to date with the latest improvements. Check your phone's Bluetooth settings to ensure everything is configured correctly for pairing with your Tesla Model 3. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. You can usually find this in your phone's settings menu under Connections or Bluetooth. Make your phone discoverable so the Tesla can find it. This is often called visible or discoverable mode in Bluetooth settings. If you're having trouble, try toggling Bluetooth off and then back on. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Finally, check for pending software updates on your phone. Outdated operating systems can cause compatibility issues with the Tesla's Bluetooth system. Update through your phone's settings. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your Tesla Model 3's Bluetooth connectivity issues, it's time to consider professional service. This step covers when and how to contact Tesla service for hardware-related problems. The problem may be hardware-related, such as a faulty Bluetooth antenna or module. These components handle the wireless signals for connectivity, and physical damage or manufacturing defects can prevent proper pairing and connection. Here's a close look at a Tesla circuit board design. Notice how components are positioned away from the chip antenna to avoid interference. If your antenna is damaged or misaligned, it can cause persistent connectivity problems. Contact Tesla service for comprehensive diagnostics and repair. Their technicians can perform detailed checks on your vehicle's Bluetooth hardware and provide in-service updates that aren't available through over-the-air updates. Persistent Bluetooth issues, especially on older Model 3 hardware from before 2022, often require professional attention. Tesla service centers can perform factory resets of the Bluetooth module or replace faulty components to restore full connectivity. To get started, schedule an appointment through the Tesla mobile app or website. Their service team will guide you through the process and ensure your Model 3's Bluetooth system is working reliably. Tesla is evolving towards more integrated wireless ecosystems, creating seamless connections between your vehicle and devices. This means smoother interactions and fewer connectivity issues in the future. Upcoming Model 3 models could feature ultra-wideband technology, enabling quicker device pairing and minimizing interference from other wireless signals. This advanced system uses precise positioning for more reliable connections. Artificial intelligence will play a key role in future diagnostics, with the vehicle proactively identifying and resolving connectivity problems before they affect your driving experience. This means less manual troubleshooting and more reliable performance. Stay tuned for these exciting advancements in Tesla's connectivity technology.